Good afternoon. We're at Corpus Christi Comic-Con. I toured the inside. I got tickets. Me, Chloe. Chloe goes in for free, so yeah, we're gonna enjoy the day here. It's gonna be at American Bank Center. All right, join us. So we made it into the exhibit hall. They got a bunch of cool stuff here. So we got some really cool pictures here by Gallery Panda. It's really cool. I'll post a link. Really cool. I like the designs and the artwork. Look at that, that's cool. So we kind of made it around, did like a little loop, and kind of just walking around a little bit. Check that out. That thing's cool, right? Got a whole bunch of different booths here. You say hi? Say hi. When you come here, like with the camera, you can't really there's famous people here, so you gotta kind of be careful when you're walking around. So I'm going to be skipping around a little bit. So over in this section you have Tabletop Gaming, Cosplay Corner, got T-Mobile. Pretty cool, right? Chloe's doing me a big favor and helping me push the cart around. Yep, this is it. Chloe, let's go over this way. Let's go over that way. Chloe found her way over to the old classic arcade section. Watch out, Chloe. That's cool. You got Batman over there. I'm Batman. That's like lifelike. This classic Miss Pac-Man machine. That reminds me of like old pizza place spots that they'd have those at. That's cool. And then check this out. Chloe, what are you doing? What are you doing? Kettle corn and lemonade and concession stands. Stable to any convention that you go to. Chloe, where are we going? Where are we going, Chloe? Chloe's taking the lead. So technical difficulty. I bought the tickets online, but I didn't redeem them, so I needed a bracelet to get in. See? My bad. Yeah. But yeah, we just met up with Kurt. Might see him later.
Take one of those.
So you have these customizable cookies, and they're called Comic-Con cookies.
Cookies? Yeah, oh yeah. Oh yeah, I got you.
I bought these ones.
Special what? They are 5 each or 3 for 12.
And you got The Office. That's awesome. I should.
Get one down.
I'll try them out later. How is it, Chloe? Is it good? You trying that new cookie? Is it delicious? That's awesome. I'm gonna have to try it out in a few minutes. All right, so these cookies are from earlier, the Comic-Con cookies. There's a little clip that I showed. It's from Hello Sweeties Cooking Co. She hand makes these cookies. The website's right here. I'm gonna leave it in the description. Chloe's already had 2. She just couldn't, you know, couldn't just have 1. She had to have 2. So they're based in Houston. We talked a little bit about the convention here, and this is her first time here. Or no, she was here in 2018, and then she's back again. So yeah, I'm gonna try these. I'm gonna try these out. I'm gonna try them. They come in this really nice bag, so we'll give it a try and see. Some marble cookies. They had so many customized cookies, like The Office. I saw some superhero ones. Other ones. They had other ones yesterday too, but they ran out of those. So yeah, let's try this out. Marble cookies. These are delicious. You're not getting any, Jen. Yep. Hello Sweeties. They have a website too, so. Oh no, it's an Instagram. So I'll leave their Instagram, and you can get in touch with them if you want to try them. Got this. So you can kind of see you got Demon Slayer right here. Really nice poster. You have some figurines over here. Pretty awesome. A bunch of different toy figures and everything else. You get these awesome holographic pictures, 3D prints. Concession stands over here. It's getting a little crowded. I've been walking around for a little bit, so yeah, it's getting a little crowded. I'm enjoying this. There's a lot to do here. Oh, someone's getting their picture taken over here. But yeah, some cool little pictures here. Clothing from the Akatsuki from Naruto. More Demon Slayer. More pictures. These are awesome. I love coming here and just like looking, you know what I mean? It's fun to kind of like look around, you know, like see what art is available and everything else. Like behind me, well, actually in front of me, but eventually behind me. That's where you get autographs signed. I can't really show, but you'll see. See, you get the lines of people waiting for autographs from famous celebrities. There's so many collectibles that you can get. They also have records. Like, that was different. Like, you don't really see that often, but we'll look through it, see what we can find. Artwork here. There's going to be an Impala from Supernatural behind me. I'm not supposed to like really show video of it, but you know, I snuck it. So yeah, Impala from Supernatural. Big fan of that show. I love that show. I don't know if anybody has watched The Boys yet, but it's on Amazon, and it's got Jensen Ackles in it, and it's great. Well, yeah, it's great. So check that out. Fishless sushi. Susheria.
Mexican food sushi.
combination of sushi and Mexican food. Looks really good, really interesting. They're opening up Tuesday night for a soft open. I'll put all their social media and the link in the description.
Yeah, I know they want spicy. I really spicy.
Well, yeah, to here, they're going to be just as they come. When
And
y'all come
he gave
by
me,
the
the gentleman was nice enough to give me the menu. And he said that he'll have some in about 25 minutes. So maybe we'll come back here and try it out.
Also a drive-thru window. We're going to be doing Uber Eats,
Susheria.
Favor, all that good stuff as well. So
That's pretty awesome.
feel free to check us out.
But kind of just wanted to show you the Lexington. We were there. That link in the description when we went to Lexington. Check that out. That's cool. All right, so Kurt, we've known each other 5+ years, give or take.
Yeah.
You're thinking about starting an event yourself?
Yeah,
Convention?
definitely. Yeah, I want to start my own convention.
My question for you is, what memories would you want to bring to Caden and have him grow into this type of event?
I guess the biggest thing is culture, right? The culture of these events are huge. Like having freedom to dress as your favorite character is really great, and I love that. You can be whoever you want when you come to these conventions. Second, you know, I want him to buy his own sabers. So if I get like a company like Ultra Sabers to come, they've come to Comic-Con in the past. Buy him his first lightsaber, have a lightsaber battle with him. You know, that'd be pretty incredible. That'd be fun. I've done it with my brother in the past too. So I would love to have those memories. And then of course, celebrities. Get him to meet really cool celebrities.
Yeah.
Get the signatures and pictures. You know, give him those experiences. And, you know, that's something that was always gonna live with him. You know, until he gets older, and then he can really nerd out with me when he gets to be an adult. So.
Oh yeah, definitely.
Yeah, so, and I plan on doing more. Of course, I didn't do it today, but Kylo Ren's, you know, of course, that's my go-to. And then I have Captain Deadpool. I don't know if you've seen those two.
I have.
Yeah,
I've seen both.
You've seen them?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. They're so fun. Very hot. You gotta get used to the weather, of course.
Yeah.
But yeah, just trench and sweat all the time.
My Jedi costume feels like 100 pounds of sweat.
Yeah. Oh, I know what you mean, man. I plan to do a Mando suit. I want to do a pre-Beskar and then Beskar. You know, like that.
Yeah.
That's like my next goal is to go that route. So stick with the Star Wars. Try to get to the 501st Legion if I can make it. You know, get to the 501st would be really cool for my son as well. That's another thing I really want him to do is get like a screen accurate costume. Yeah. So
That'd be awesome.
yeah.
Maybe some future father-son cosplay.
Man, that'd be great. Yeah, do a Star Wars one. I don't know what he would want to do yet. You know, he's got to really get into that first. He's not there yet. He's only 3 years old, but I'm getting him there. You know, I got to get it into his brain that Star Wars is the best thing that's ever existed.
Yeah.
So yeah.
You know, honestly, I've always wanted to do like a Wolverine X-23.
Oh, that would be really cool.
Chloe, that'd be awesome. But I want to wait until she gets like older.
Yeah, I can see you as Wolverine.
Yeah.
You got this going here.
Yeah. So maybe in the near future.
Yeah. You're gonna get the like old school with the hat too, right? The mask.
Maybe.
With the ears.
Yeah,
that'd
definitely.
be really cool. Yeah,
That'd be fun.
Do the blue. Is it blue and yellow, right? Isn't that the original, or black and yellow?
Yeah, something like that, or maybe Old Man
Logan.
Man Logan. That'd be pretty awesome.
See, and then I can do Deadpool or something, you know?
Yeah.
Because they just have this weird vibe together, that interesting chemistry. So,
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
Man.
So that'd be really cool.
Man, it was awesome seeing you.
Yeah, man, it was great. I'm glad you can make it. I'm glad to see it.
See you too.
See, it says subscribe on you. Is that actually yours? Is that it?
This is my channel here.
You're smart, man.
Yeah. What was your favorite thing to see here today? See anything you liked?
Well, the favorite thing to do was the panels, of course. Like, man, it really hits hard for me because I started watching the Supernatural when I was like 13, 14 years old, and I loved it. It was something that me and my dad did, you know, every week. Just watch it when it came on the CW or the WB. And then, so that was great to see those cast members on the panel. And,
Yeah.
Yeah, and get to ask Q&As and stuff. So, but other than that, you know, there's some really cool items around here. Some
Yeah,
really
definitely.
cool Thor hammer I like. Saw some good artwork. I have a buddy that's an artist here as well. So
Yeah.
they have the Stranger Things poster.
Yeah,
you know,
I just got
Eddie,
into that.
with Eddie playing the Metallica Master of Puppets. That was pretty
Yeah,
cool.
I just got into that show, so I'm like,
Yeah, that's
I'm late. I'm late to the party, always. But
It's okay. No, I mean, yeah. Some things I'm still late on. Don't feel too bad. It happens.
that's awesome. Thank you.
Yeah, man.
So we just finished eating the Mexican food, sushi, fusion, really good. Check it out. They're soft opening on Tuesday night, so I'll leave a description for social, everything else. Yeah, it's fun. Been a busy day, so we're heading home. It was fun. It was good seeing Kirk again. Until the next video, probably the cruise video.